Welcome, in this short tutorial I will show you how to flash for yourself on the short when you are T-side on the Dust 2 map. So, take a look on this lamp and this pillar, put a flashbang and start aiming like me in the middle of this window and these bricks. Run, and when the lamp disappears on the top of your screen, you can release the flash. It should bounce from this window and pops just behind this wall and fully flash the cities on the short. As you can see, I flash, he's fully blind. Whenever the city is, maybe on the boost, it's gonna flash him. So it works perfectly fine. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!